this is the Bear River 1911 BB pistol. It came with a nice gel target with a sticky covering, and when you shoot on it, the BBs collect in the base. So after you've shot, if you want to shoot again, you push the magazine release button and drop the magazine. Pour the BBs out of the tray into your hand. There's a little trap door on the back of the magazine that snaps open to put the BBs in. And I'm only going to put a few BBs in. After the BBs are put in the magazine, you snap the little door shut, makes a nice snap. Then you pull down the magazine follower and shake it a little bit, and the BBs will go into the magazine compartment. You flip the magazine follower ahead, and you can see where the BBs are in the magazine, ready to be loaded. You have to push the magazine release button to get the magazine back in, and then you push it till there's a nice click, and you know that the magazine is all ready. Now this is a spring-operated BB pistol. It doesn't use a CO2 cartridge. So you have to cock the BB pistol to shoot it by cocking the slide. And you pull it back till you hear a nice click. And then you drop the safety so that the red dot is showing and you're ready to shoot. Now I'll put the camera on the target to show how the gel target works and collects the BBs. So I'm only going to be shooting from a distance of about 7 or 8 feet at this target, and hopefully it'll show how the gel target functions with this BB pistol. That one bounced straight off the gel target and didn't stick to the sticky paper. I'll shoot another one here. We'll see if we can get one to stick. There. That one stuck on the 9 ring for a few seconds, and then it dropped down into the pan. And that's what is supposed to happen. I'll fire another. There, that one stuck momentarily right to the 10 ring and then dropped down into the pan. And I'll shoot another one just to demonstrate. There, that one stuck to the 9 ring, and as you can see, it stayed there a little bit longer and then trickled down into the pan. And of course, after you get done shooting, you begin where the video started from. You take those out of the pan and put them into the... So if you purchase the Bear River 911 BB pistol to sharpen your handgun skills, this is how the pistol, the 911 BB pistol, compares to a Ruger P85. The grip on the Ruger P85 is just slightly larger than the grip on the 911 BB pistol. And as you can see, the P85, which is a bulky handgun, The slide's a little heavier and the trigger guard's a little bigger around. But the magazine release is in the same place, and the safety is almost in the same place. So maybe a good choice to sharpen your handgun shooting skills.